This is the newest model of the TALON oil filter tool by Bogert Aviation. The TALON was designed to be your saving grace when an oil filter refuses to let go, no matter what method you've tried.
So here we are. We've got an oil filter that somebody really cranked on there. We couldn't get it off, so we found Bogert Aviation down in Washington, and we bought their fancy tool. Oh my God, it's moving. Gonna have to write Bogert a thank you letter.
This multi-purpose tool removes stuck oil filters on motorcycles, cars, boats, and of course, small aircraft. It can be adjusted to fit the exact placement of the holes on the oil can, then removed using a standard 3/8" drive extension and ratchet. The TALON is made of high-quality solid steel and fitted with grade 8 bolts, so you can feel assured this little gadget can take on a whole lot of force. Best of all, the TALON is a one-time purchase that you can add to your toolbox, ready to use again on any other stubbornly stuck-on oil filters.
Bogert Aviation, just sending you guys a big thank you from Minnesota. I recently purchased your TALON oil filter tool, and it's maybe the best tool purchase, most exciting tool purchase I've had for my garage since buying my first wrench.